see what we're about? I see you at my door, wanting in, come back for more. But I don't want this anymore. Cause baby, we got issues, yeah. Not gonna make them dictate my life. So baby, if you got
guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be giving you a more relaxing cleaning motivation, but what's even better, this video is in collab with Kristie from Has Fam. You guys will love her channel. I feel like when I watch her channel, it's like watching an episode from HGTV. She likes to redo her house and she likes to redo furniture. She turns furniture from trash to treasure, and guys, I am obsessed, so I know you will as well. One of the first things I do every morning is I unload the dishwasher. I try to turn it on the night before. Sometimes that doesn't happen, I forget. But most times I do end up unloading the dishwasher in the morning, or my husband would do that. It makes it a lot easier throughout the day. So if I dirty up any dishes, it just could go straight into the dishwasher.
To me, so you just have to do without. Here's something you can think about.
I collect Rae Dunn, so you will see I have tons of Rae Dunn mugs. This is not even all of it, guys. I have some hanging. I got some in the other cabinet. I have some put away because they're seasonal. So I definitely do have a lot of mugs.
Baby, if you get issues, yeah, don't you take them out of me. Honey, I think we lost the toe.
You came over from Kristie's channel. Hi guys, don't forget to comment down below so I can say hi to you. I'm Yesenia. I have 3 kids. I am a wife, and I mainly post cleaning videos, but I sometimes post DIYs, grocery hauls, basically anything that has to do with being a woman, wife, and mother. So I hope you enjoy my content.
And I lose myself again to someone who's got the
I find cleaning out the sink super satisfying. I don't know what it is. It's just seeing the soap going down the drain. I find that super satisfying. I also love vacuuming. There's just certain chores that I love to do, and there's certain chores I do not like to do, but I have to do it anyway because it got to get done.
Say it again, say it again. You're saying you're sorry, so say it again. Only you can make my world go black. Say you love me, then you take it back. Say it again, say it again. You want my forgiveness, so say it again. You're my thunder of my darkest night. You just can't go back and make it right. Cause it's too late.
Kids were eating muffins for breakfast this morning, and they left a bunch of crumbs on the table and the floor, so I'm going to get that cleaned up.
Cause it's too late. You roll the dice, and now you have to pay the price. Yeah. I'm in a better place now. I'm not gonna worry, no. I'm not even sorry. You're gonna be the lonely one. I'm in a better place now. I'm not gonna worry.
Who else is ready for spring, you guys? I am so ready for spring and summer, and I say that every year. Those are my, I will have to say summer and fall is my two favorite. And the reason I say that is because our fall weather here is a little bit summer and a little bit spring. It doesn't get really cold in the fall here anyway. But I'm so over this rain. I'm over the cold weather, the bunch of coats just filling up the closet. I'm over it. I'm ready for some warmer weather. I'm ready for the sun to shine. I'm just ready for some spring and summer. One of the things I do every single day is make my bed. I love getting into bed that was just freshly made. It feels so good. Plus, it prevents me from getting into the bed, especially on a rainy day, guys. It was pouring out rain outside. I am very tempted to go back to bed sleep.
For you and I to coexist. Help me. I wanna be more than just a friend. I'm looking for closure. So baby, pull me closer. Help me. I don't wanna be just a one night stand. I'm looking for closure. So baby, pull me closer. I've been scrolling through the text messages you sent me, trying to fill the holes where you left me empty. And when I think about it, get a little emotional, knowing that we might never ever be close to loving. Help me. I wanna be more than just a friend. I'm looking for closure. So baby, pull me closer. Help me. I don't wanna be just a one night stand. I'm looking for closure. So baby, pull me closer. Help me. I wanna be more than just a friend. I'm looking for closure. So baby, pull me closer. Help me. I don't wanna be just a one night stand. I'm looking for closure. So baby, pull me closer. Sober up. Think it's time for me to sober up. Cause I don't know what I should do with all these feelings. Don't wanna be needy, too in love. Maybe I am just too in love. Baby, all I know is I can't make you stay. But don't just walk away. Help me. I wanna be more than just a friend. I'm looking for closure. So baby, pull me closer. Help me. I don't wanna be just a one night stand. I'm looking for closure. So baby, pull me closer. I found love, for real love. Let this be the real.
I do use tons of DIY cleaners and all natural cleaners, but one thing that I do differently when it comes to the toilet is that I like to use my Clorox.
What's on your mind? Whisper soft to me that you want me. There's magic in your fingertips. It's magic when we kiss. I can be myself with you. Kiss me now, I insist. Make me yours, just take me now. I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more once you kiss me, now I insist. Make me yours, just take me now. I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling.
I love it when you guys leave me comments. I try to answer pretty much within the hour or right away. I pretty much answer pretty quickly. So first question that I have for you is, where are you watching me from?
It's more than just a thing. I can't help it. It's the real thing, the real thing.
It was so easy when we met. Future ahead of us, making memories.
Well, my daughter left a bunch of her toys here in the living room, so I'm about to pick that up. And I'm also going to put some of the throw blankets in the wash because the kids have been using that a lot lately and they have been coughing and sneezing all over it.
'Cause I can't take it anymore. Forgetting what I'm fighting for. And your words just stop, don't hold me back. Don't hold me back. Just let me go, just let me go. I need to get it off my mind before it devours all my energy. So hard to leave it all behind. I write my pen down in a melody, melody. My heart is just another melody. So before I get over you, I'm gonna sing it now.
I would like to say that as moms, we are all in a different stage of life. I used to be in the stage of life where I had toddlers and toys all over the living room and a bunch of stuff everywhere. And that was just the stage of life I was in then. I'm in a different whole stage of life now. My kids are older. They're all in school now. My youngest is 6, almost 7 years old. They pretty much most of the time pick up after themselves. The boys don't even have toys downstairs because they barely play with toys because they're older now. It's just things are different now. I don't change diapers. They feed themselves. I miss when they were toddlers, but I'm really enjoying this stage that we are in now. I feel like this stage is so far my favorite. I used to love it when they were babies. I love toddlers, but it's not my favorite stage. I'm gonna be honest with you. I like the stage I'm in now where they're pretty much independent.
My heart is just another melody.
Here I am watering my 2 plants that I have. I've kept them alive. My mom left me 2 plants. And guys, I'm the type of person that pretty much let the plant die. No matter what I did, I either overwater them or not water them enough. Well, anyway, she left me these 2 plants and she threatened my life if something happened to them. Honestly. But you know what's crazy? It's been 2 years and they're still alive. And I feel like I've become a plant lady and I really am loving taking care of these plants. So I think I might get some more, guys.
Oh, 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 melody. Oh, over you. Just another melody.
This pretty much will be all, guys. I hope you enjoyed this relaxing cleaning motivation. Don't forget to go over to Kristie's channel. I will make sure to link her channel down in the description box so you can go check her out. And if you came over from Kristie's channel, comment down below so I can say hi. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any one of my videos, guys. Bye.
Just pretend I could hold you once again, 'cause I'm scared of feeling lost tonight. When I wake up, it's you that I think of. It's true.